Python is a great language for beginners. It's easy to read and understand. This makes it easier to learn your first programming language. Python is used for many things. You can build websites, analyze data, and even program robots. Learning Python is like learning any new skill. It takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to experiment. The more you code, the better you'll become. Let's dive in. First, you need to install Python on your computer. Visit the official Python website, download the latest version for your operating system, follow the installation instructions. This sets up Python on your system. Next, you'll want a code editor. This is where you'll write your Python code. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code and Atom. These editors offer helpful features. They can color code your code and help you find errors. Once you have Python and a code editor, you're ready to start coding. Let's create a simple program that greets the user. Open your code editor. Type the following code print. Hello world. Save this file as hello.py. Now open your computer's terminal or command prompt. Navigate to where you saved the file. Then run your program by typing python hello.py. You should see the message, Hello World printed on your screen. Congratulations, you've written your first Python program. This simple program introduces you to the print function in Python. It's a powerful tool to display information. You'll use it a lot as you learn. Section 4. Common beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. Beginners often make mistakes. That's part of learning. One common error is forgetting colons. Python uses colons to indicate blocks of code. Make sure your code is indented correctly. Another mistake is using the wrong capitalization. Python is case sensitive. Print is not the same as print. Pay attention to capital letters in your code. If you encounter errors, don't panic. Read the error message carefully. It usually gives you clues about what went wrong. Online resources like Stack Overflow are also great for finding solutions. Section 5. Python's possibilities. What's next? Congratulations on starting your Python journey. You've taken the first steps into a world of possibilities. Python is a versatile language. You can use it for web development, data science, machine learning, and more. Continue exploring and building upon what you've learned. There are countless resources available online, from tutorials to online courses. The key is to keep practicing and never stop learning. Happy coding!